Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to return an online order on H&M. The first step I'd like you to take is to launch the H&M app on your Android device. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the account icon that's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Now, if I tap on this account icon, it's just right after the love icon. If I tap on it, my screen is going to go completely blank. And I think it's because H&M is trying to protect what is on that screen for me. So I'm not going to click there. So just go ahead and tap on account icon. And once you tap on that, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see your unique ID. And you're going to see a couple of options. You're going to see others. Now tap others. Once you tap others, it's going to take you to a window where you can view your recent purchases and past purchases. Now, browse through your order history and tap on the specific order you wish to return. Ensure the items are eligible for return, typically within 30 days of receipt. Then, once you tap on the order, it takes you to the order details page. Tap on return items or a similar option. Now, select the items you wish to return and specify the reason for return. Now, you can also choose a return method. For in-store return, select return to store. Now find your nearest H&M store using the App Store locator. Bring the items along with the original packing and proof of purchase, example, order confirmation email or invoice. For mail return, select return by mail. Follow the prompts to generate a return label. Print the return label and attach it securely to the package. Drop off the package at the designated courier location. Then after that, you can track your return. Monitor the status of your return through the My Order section in the app. That's the Order section in the app. Now, once the return is processed, you receive a refund to your original payments method. I'd like you to note a couple of things. You have up to 30 days from the date of receipt to return items. Items must be in unused conditions and in their original packaging. Certain items such as undergarments, swimwear, that if the hygienic seal is broken, and personalized products may not be eligible for return. In some regions, a return fee may apply for mail returns unless you're a member of H&M's loyalty program. So you can go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.